follow this great video about how make money online. Most everyone wants to learn how to make more money. And many people want the luxury of freelancing on their own, but they just do not know where to start. What if you could make money online by working from the comfort of your own home? Well, you might just be surprised to learn that you can. Continue watching to learn what you need to know. People who have a knack for writing may find success with a revenue-sharing option such as InfoBarrel or Squidoo. Both of these sites let you write on your favorite topics, and you get a split of the incoming revenue. This will allow you to have fun while you are working. Try doing some surveys online. You will not make as much money as you would with some other types of online work. These surveys usually do not take long, and they usually just ask for your opinion. If you join a legitimate survey site, those cents can quickly add up to some extra cash. To earn some quick cash online, try one of the many auction sites. These sites let you sell a myriad of items, both new and used. Collect together gently worn clothes from your closet. Then, photograph each piece and place them on an auction site. With these sites, you can set a minimum bid to ensure that you get the money you want from your clothes. You can make money flipping domain names. A creative person can make good money by purchasing potentially popular domain names and selling them later at a profit. It's a bit like buying real estate on the internet and requires some investment on your part. A site like Google AdSense is a good place to find trending key phrases people search for. Buy acronym-heavy domain names. This will help you to get the most amount of money. One good way to make money online is by writing blog posts or videos. There are a few sites such as Helium and Associated Content that will pay for blog posts and videos that you write. You can earn up to $200 for videos on topics they are looking for. There are several sites that pay you for giving your opinion about an upcoming court case. These sites ask you to read through the material that will be presented at a legal proceeding and give your opinion on whether the defendant is guilty or not. The amount of pay will depend on the amount of time it will take to read through the material. Freelancing is a great way to work online. There are a number of sites that will allow you to log on and put in an idea or proposal. Buyers then search the available options and figure out what they would like to purchase. Freelancing is best suited for skills that involve things like programming and data entry. As you can see, making money online is no longer a pipe dream. There are people all across the globe who are now making great money online. You will be able to be your own boss and make your own decisions about how much money you bring in from now on. Good luck! Student loan.